Hi everyone, it's Louise with Louise McHare, and I'm doing more coasters. Still need more coasters, and I have this color palette and these paints that I really need to use up. And I've been really bad about not using up my paints, so I'm going to do that today. I'm going to help remove some of my paints today. So I'm going to make coasters, like I said, and I have my Multi-Pro here. I'm going to dive right in. I do like to try to save time as much as possible for those that are watching. Because if I save your time, you're going to have more time to create things. And I always respect people's time, probably at the detriment of my own. So there's the pillow, the Multi-Pro. Here's my Arteza Pearl Sky Blue and Golden Phthalo green with some zinc white to lighten it up a bit. Just gorgeous. Gorgeous color combination here. I'm going to make sure to put down enough color. Oops. Oh, I knew there was something in there. Aha. What's a day of painting without some fishing? You always gotta fish. Really, with as much as fishing I do in these paints, you'd think I'd have a fishing license, but I don't. But I probably should. Okay, so that was Amsterdam's bluish green with Treasure Gold's blue quartz, and there was one other color, Golden's Cerulean Blue Deep. Here's my gold combination. And wow, the wind is picking up out there. Oh my gosh. This is mostly sea glass from TLP. And I have a little bit of a dab of Arteza's Pearl Sea Green in there. And last but not least, my Payne's Gray combination, which is a combination from Golden and Arteza. You know, you kind of start to have your favorite colors you like to work with, colors that give you good results. And this is one of them, man. I love this color combination. Now, today, I've got Australian Floetrol mixed up. And I'm going to continue to use it because it's been working so nicely. And I'm only using the white. There we go. Nice reaction, that halo. So everyone, for the next little bit here, I'm going to share the audio from another coaster creation. I wanted to insert it here just as like a true confession, as a little insight into what I'm going through right now. And I'll be honest with you guys, I'm going to be honest right now. I am having a little struggle lately. I'm trying to come up with something new and interesting and original. At the same time, I'm trying to keep supplied for the store. Obviously, you want to see some fresh stuff, and I want to be more creative. So it's been kind of a struggle and a challenge for me. I kind of wonder what you're doing every so often. And I really want to come up with something interesting. I have some ideas. I did one thing, but it didn't turn out the way I wanted it to. I don't know if I'm going to continue to try or do something else, but I have got a couple other things in mind too. But you know, yeah, you kind of have to stay fresh to stay interesting, to grow in every way possible. And I'm kind of a creature of habit. I was the one that went to work. I'd get up at 5, get to work, come home, make or eat dinner. You know, a routine. The antithesis of creativity. But in my nature, and I'm just being honest with you guys, in my nature, I'm much more of a, like schedules, I like routine. Oh, this is gorgeous. Gorgeous. You know, I was an athlete. I know about going to practice. I was at West Point learned about being in the military, learned about being on time, learned about discipline, order, and this is the opposite of all that. So I'm a little bit challenged. I'm challenged right now. What do I want to do? How do I want to do things? To keep things fresh, yet to keep what I need to have going as well. Oh, I'm suddenly getting pretty warm over here. Got my heater on, trying to keep me warm. I think I need to back it away a bit. Oh, goodness. This is so pretty. This color combination is killer. Yeah, after the black and white journey, I felt like I needed color again. So here we are. Plus, I was doing this for something else. I have another project going on. And I have the paint. I've got to use it. I'm so bad about not using up my paint. I end up with 25 tubs left over the course of time. One subscriber, I'm going to tell you a little something about consistencies. One subscriber was asking me, they needed help. They said, I need help bad. And they, no matter what they do, Australian Floetrol, American Floetrol, they can't get cells. And not even knowing what she was using in any other of the combinations, I didn't have any idea. I just said to her, check your consistencies. If you're not getting cells, then, and you're using both American or Australian, something's wrong with your consistencies, because the Australian Floetrol works. The American Floetrol works too. Oh, this is gorgeous. Gorgeous. So I said, your pillow should be about a 4-second trace. Your paints should be 2 to 3. And your cell activator, there really shouldn't be much of a trace at all. It should be the thinnest of them all and go back into the tub pretty easily. It just pours right in, like that. It just pours right in. And then you're looking for that bounce back, like that. And she went back and she checked her consistencies and she adjusted like I suggested. And the next day she came back and said, I just have to let you know, it worked. And I was so happy to hear that. I was so happy to hear that. You have no idea the pleasure, the time that we take to make videos, create stuff. And it's effort. Oh, that was a bad dunk. But when you hear something like that, I mean, it just makes it all worthwhile. Okay, folks, I'm going to show you guys right where we are here. We're at 9 minutes. Look at this. Oh, my goodness. So when you share stories like that, whether it's for me or any other artist, it really, really makes the day. Really does. And I encourage you to keep doing that. Please keep sharing your successes, because if you're successful, we feel really good. All right, everybody, I'm going to sign off with that. I will give you the flyover when all of them are dry and resined. All right, everybody, I'll be back. So everyone, that's a wrap. I hope you enjoyed the video and all of my inner musings and true confessions. Sometimes it's just good to get it out there. At the end, I will link my coaster playlist. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, hit the bell and all, leave a comment, even a hello. I get back to everyone's comment, enjoy hearing your successes as well, and I really do appreciate engaging with each and every one of you. And with that, again, thank you for being here, and I appreciate your support. Till next time, take care.